Step 1. Access the listing editor. First, log into your Occasion workspace. Click on Listings in the left sidebar menu. Next, click on My Template. Then select Create Listing on the template titled Uses for Classes that Meet One Time to open the listing editor. Step 2. Enter basic class information. Let's enter your class details. Start with a name like Watercolor Painting Workshop. In the class description, write something inviting such as explore the basics of watercolor painting in a fun and relaxed environment. Or you can click on the Occasion A&I button to help you generate a draft. Select class from the event type drop-down menu and pick your preferred checkout version. Step 3. Upload images. Now let's make your listing visually appealing. Click on the Images tab and click Upload Image. Upload up to 5 vibrant images of your art studio, artwork, or students painting to attract attendees. Remember to use high quality images from Unsplash if needed. Step 4. Schedule your class. Let's schedule your class. On the Time Slots tab, click Add New Time Slot. Choose your date and set the start and end times. And don't forget to save the details. Step 5. Set class availability. Go to the Availability tab and enter how many attendees you can accept. If you can accommodate 12, enter 12. Step 6. Build your roster. To collect the attendee information, navigate to the People tab and find the Attendee Information section. Check the boxes for first name, last name, and age. Step 7. Additional pricing. If you need to collect sales tax, click on the Additional Pricing tab. For an 8% tax rate, enter 8 in the sales tax field and save your changes. Lastly, let's add a pricing question. Scroll down and click Add Question. Select Fixed Attendee Pricing, enter the title, the price, and the maximum per order. And that's it! You've successfully created a one-time art class